What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best running shoes in 2022. There's a lot of choice for running shoes. The running shoes or running trainers, as some people like to call them, are an essential piece of running gear. A decent pair of trainers can not only help you run faster but also reduce injury risk and, in some cases, improve running form. Besides, getting a new pair of running shoes can be an excellent motivator to start running for those who find it hard to muster up the energy to exercise. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first pair of stability running shoes or a seasoned pro trying to replace your completely worn racing shoes with the best running shoes, you'll find the best options here. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Brooks Adrenaline GTS 21. If you are tired of rolling over the shoe's edge and wearing out your soles on the inner side, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 21 will fix that problem for you. People with flat feet and overpronation need a shoe that offers more support on the inner side to keep the foot straight and not falling in. The Adrenaline is a saving grace not only as a stability shoe but also as a go-to shoe for many purposes. That's what the GTS stands for. Wear it for slow recovery runs, long distance efforts, and even a full day of walking. We enjoyed its amply plush, max cushioned ride so much that taking it off simply didn't feel right. You just want to keep it on your feet until going to bed. It is so well padded and supportive and yet doesn't feel heavy. From the 270 plus stability shoes that we have measured in our lab, the Adrenaline weighs slightly below average, 10.2 ounces compared to 10.5 ounces. It also uses a more advanced support technology which helps to correct your pronation without you even feeling it. Unlike the sturdy medial post they used in stability shoes before. The shoe's plush upper is a miracle. It will hug any foot shape as if it's a loved one. People with wider feet will find joy in its ample toe space as well as in all the width options available. Specification and features. Fabric type, synthetic and mesh. Origin, imported. Sole material, rubber. Outer material, canvas. Reasons to buy. Fits true to size. Secure fit. Great stability. Gusseted tongue. Soft but not mushy. Reasons to avoid. Not for speedy runs. Could be lighter. Number 2. New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V12. The New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V12 surpasses its predecessor in every way. The shoes are more comfortable, responsive and supportive than ever before. The Fresh Foam X makes all the difference underfoot. This new foam is softer yet offers more control over your stride than Fresh Foam. It's basically the of both worlds. The Hypo-Knit upper allows plenty of room in the toe box if that's what you need but also offers support. Airflow in the shoes is also sublime. The Fresh Foam X1080 V12 not once felt stuffy or too warm, even when they were used for tempo runs on hot days. As an icing on the cake, the New Balance Fresh Foam X looks sexy enough and feels comfortable enough, so you can wear them for other things than just running. These are some versatile running shoes indeed. Specification and features. Origin, imported. Sole material, rubber. Outer material, Hypo-Knit. Closure type, lace up. Weight, 319 grams, men's UK 10 drop, 8 mm drop, heel, 36 mm, forefoot, 26 mm best for anything from slow to tempo runs. Sizing, true to size. Reasons to buy. Foam is super plush. Hypo-Knit upper is comfortable. Aesthetically pleasing design. Great traction. Reasons to avoid. Sizing seems to be different from other NB shoes. Number 3. Asics MetaSpeed Sky. This is by far the carbon-plated shoe that we've tested. We rarely make such bold statements as there are nuances to every running shoe. However, the MetaSpeed killed it, both in our wear testing and in our lab testing. This shoe is amazing. It's light, 191 grams, and in our lab we measured a 2.5 mm drop only, which is significantly lower than the 5 mm reported drop from Asics themselves. It is a low drop, and it worked well. These days, most race day shoes come with a carbon plate, however you also pay a premium for the newest tech. $250 for a running shoe is a lot. Study after study does show how carbon-plated shoes are faster, and world records are almost exclusively being broken using race shoes with carbon plates. If you want to set new PBs, do get a carbon-plated shoe. And if you want the best of the best, buy the Asics MetaSpeed Sky. As opposed to most other race shoes, the MetaSpeed Sky is comfortable. It is less stiff, and its forefoot is wider than most race shoes. You will appreciate it if you race distances longer than 5K. Specification and features. Sole material, rubber. Closure type, lace up. Reasons to buy. Bouncy and responsive. Fast. Fantastic grip. Ultra breathable. Stable even at slower speeds. Reasons to avoid. Not so durable. Expensive. Not for cold weather. No heel tab. Number 4. Asics Gel Nimbus 24. The Asics Gel Nimbus 24 is a max-cushioned everyday running trainer for people who need shoes not to look good on Instagram or show off in your running group but for running. These shoes are for pounding the pavement mile after mile in comfort, clocking up the miles and building strong legs. People who take running seriously and appreciate if their legs are in working order the day after a long session. The combination of FF Blast Plus and Flight Foam technologies, as well as rear foot and forefoot gel, make landing smooth and toe-offs energetic enough to keep you going mile after mile. The engineered mesh upper and ortholite sock liner create a cozy atmosphere in the shoes. The Gel Nimbus 24 is slightly more expensive than its predecessor, but it's also a tad bit lighter. Finally, Asics also started using more sustainable materials in its shoes. The upper and the outsole of the Gel Nimbus are now made of recycled materials, to some degree. Specification and features. Origin, imported. Sole material, rubber. Outer material, synthetic. Closure type, lace up. Weight, 324 grams, men's UK 10 drop, 10 millimeters. Sizing, true to size. Specification and features. Origin, imported. Sole material, rubber. Outer material, synthetic. Closure type, lace up. Weight, 324 grams, men's UK 10 drop, 10 millimeters. Sizing, true to size. Reasons to buy. Soft, bouncy foam. So much comfort. Upper is made with recycled materials, finally. Great energy returns. Reasons to avoid. A bit on the heavy side. Number 5. Salomon Sense Ride 4. The Salomon Sense Ride 4 is a certified beast and it sure took our breath away with its surprisingly responsive ride. This trail shoe is everything trail ready. It's got an insane grip, and it's got durability written all over it. After doing some nerdy lab testing on this shoe, we've gathered that it's more rigid, at 81.5 HC, than the average, 75.1 HC. Meaning, it can't get more tank-like than this. And if you're thinking it's an uncomfortable, brick-like ride, the easy answer is no. It's anything but that. We really hammered this shoe, and it showed insane prowess in long-distance runs and steep climbs. It's a super fun and energetic ride. We almost forgot we're wearing a trail shoe. Even better, it's not the type of tank that's heavy. It didn't weigh us down at all. On paper, it sure as hell is heavy, but on the run? It's the exact opposite. With its grip, it just gets better and better. It's got 3.57mm lugs that are ready to bite just about any terrain. Of course, we can't overlook the super convenient lockdown system this shoe has. The Quickless system is not only quick, but it's also very secure and prevents any in-shoe movement. And ooh la la, what a stunner. Trail shoes don't always have the looks, but the Salomon Sense Ride 4 just loves wow everyone. Specification and features. Sole material, rubber. Closure type, lace up. Water resistance level, water resistant. Reasons to buy. Fits wider feet. Energy efficient ride. Great lacing system. No heel slip. Reasons to avoid. Runs half size longer. Needs breaking in. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.